Hello and welcome, guys. So, this would be lesson number 10. We have the adjustment. This lesson will be directed to cameraman and also the photographers. Why? Because we have raw video and you can adjust the colors of the raw video. Sometimes you work on a project for a company or a brand. So this brand has its own presets. Like some of them might be on dark lights, some of them might be on bright lights, some of them might be on moderate, some of them might be on greenish style or yellowish style. But let me explain what is this. So first you click on custom adjustment and adjustment like this one will pop up. Here you can adjust the colors as you can see, and of course you can put a keyframe, so you put another keyframe right here and you make it yellowish. We see this like in some series like Breaking Bad, so we are in the desert. Again, it has its own set of conditions. Now here's the auto adjust, which is a pro feature. It will adjust it to make all the contrast in the video or the image appear in a decent way. So it's based on AI. Here is without the auto adjust and here's with the adjustment. You can, of course, go over the intensity and make it like on 95% or make it on 15. You can adjust it the way you want. So for the color match, what's that about? It's you can adjust the scene with one frame. Like you like the lights and the whole thing, you can press on OK and the whole thing will be adjusted to that frame. We have also the color correction. It's not the auto adjust. It's not like it. It's only giving a saturation to each color. It enhances the color. It's not playing with the color, it only enhances the color. Here we have different types of options related to LUT. I'll explain those on upcoming lessons because those are very amazing options to play with. Now, of course, if you have adjustment like this one you like, you can save it as a preset and you can get it here on yours. And for the LUT, you can import a LUT from different files type and different projects like DaVinci Resolve or other montaging softwares. So that would be it for the adjustment tab, and I'll see you in the next and final lesson of all the tabs up above. And after that, we'll move to the options on the right, then the timeline, and we'll get the full idea of CapCut and how does it work. Until that time, I wish you enjoyed watching my video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See ya.